Hi folks, so in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the following function. It says find the zeros of the following function: x to the fourth minus 2x cubed minus 14x squared minus 2x minus 15. In class we usually had a graph provided for us to help us get a couple of the zeros because we're going to need to do synthetic division here. So I'm going to show you, if you go to desmos.com, so desmos.com, and then you click start graphing, you can actually put this function in. So I'm going to put in x to the fourth minus 2x to the third, minus 2x to the third. I don't know why it's not liking that. Oh, my number locks off. Sorry. Minus 2x to the third minus 14x squared. Minus 14x squared minus 2x, and then minus 15. And then from here, yes, we can see that this has kind of that W-shaped graph. If I messed with this, you can zoom out. But when I click right here, this is going to provide me my two x-intercepts, my first two zeros, so that I can continue on with this problem. So I'm going to go and I'm going to take a look and I'm going to say the zeros, the real zeros that I found were -3 and 5. And this should help me get started with this problem. Again, typically what we were seeing was we would see a graph provided, but in the case of what you're going to be working on in this course, you can go ahead and put that into Desmos to find the two zeros or the 1 0 or however many zeros you need to be able to start the problem.